What are some of the key items you looked for about how to identify the opportunities in a business, take it in a new direction, and just maybe quickly touch on those a little bit?
Well, I think, some of the things are obvious. You walk in and you know who's a performer and who's not. I look for me. I look for that young person. I look for the person that's going to do whatever has to be done.
So, and how do you find that person?
They show up. You'll see them. I mean, I'm sure you see it in your company. You know who is performing at a level above and beyond, and opportunities to save money. One of the things that I'm sure you'll get out of your talk with Tyler is he's a big change agent, and you're always looking for how do you make it better, faster, quicker, cheaper, because we're competing. Our telecommunications business, we took that away from an Asian supplier. And to do that, when we got that job, we were told you'll never be able to, there's 10 people have quoted this, you'll never get it. But we looked at it differently. You have to look at it as to say, all right, what do we have to do to get it? Let's don't go in and be defeated before we ever get started. And it was the same thing in each department.